Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to CyberNet channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the Angular CLI and create an Angular project. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, follow the link in the description below this video to install it. To install the Angular CLI, open a terminal window and run the following command. npm install g at angular/CLI. To create a project, run the CLI command ng-new and provide a name, for example CyberOffice, as shown here. ng-new CyberOffice. The ng-new command prompts you for information about features to include in the initial app. Accept the defaults by pressing the enter or return key. The Angular CLI installs the necessary Angular npm packages and other dependencies. This can take a few minutes. The CLI creates a new workspace and a simple welcome app, ready to run. First run the following command: navigate to the project folder. Then run the following command to open the project in Visual Studio Code. Code. Finally run the following command to open the app in a browser. ng-serve open. If your installation and setup was successful, you should see a page similar to the following. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.